Hello everyone. Welcome to this quick walkthrough on how to add a payer in the 1099 online platform. Let's begin with the registration process. First, sign up for a 1099 online account by completing all the required fields. Once the registration is complete, you'll see the business information page. Enter the required business details. Choose whether you are registering as a tax professional or a business. Then, select the approximate number of forms you expect to e-file and click Next. On the accounting software page, select the option that best matches your requirements and click Finish. A confirmation message will appear, and your registration will be completed. You will now be taken to the 1099 online dashboard. To add a payer, go to Payers and click Add Payer. If you're a new user, you can also add your first payer directly from the dashboard. Choose the payer type, either individual or business, and enter all the mandatory information. You also have the option to enter additional details such as the withholding/state tax ID, client payer ID, and group ID. These fields are optional and can be completed if applicable. After entering the required information, click Save. Your payer will be successfully added to the 1099 online platform. Now, let's look at the bulk upload feature. 1099 Online allows you to upload multiple payers at once using an Excel template. To begin, click Bulk Upload and download the provided template. Fill in all the required information carefully. While editing the template, make sure you do not remove columns, change the column headers, add macros, insert additional tabs or worksheets, or reformat the template. If any required information is missing or entered incorrectly, the upload may fail. Once the file is ready, upload it and click Next. The system will validate the data and import all the payers from the Excel file into your 1099 online account. That completes the process of adding payers individually and through bulk upload in 1099 Online. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.